so helpful. Thank you, mi amor. Mírala, mírala. Go, baby. And the countdown begins.
Christmas present?
Earlier than what we were expecting, yes.
Beautiful wrapping.
You're gonna love and watch. I think it's sideways, no? Turn it around. With this, yeah.
Watch me break one. And you did it. Are they glass? Are they glass? I don't want.
They're acrylic.
I don't know what that is.
Like Karime's?
Oh,
The
so
material.
It looks like glass, but it's like
Yes.
kind of plastic.
Okay, look.
Oh, I'm trying.
Pull it.
Yes. Santa Claus is here. It's my present.
Yes.
One open. Wait, hold on, ready? Look. You ready, Eddie? Are you scared?
Ariana, why are you wearing that shirt? It's cold.
Because we were in the garage. In the garage is actually pretty hot. Huh?
I wonder if it's inside.
You ready? Let's see. Ooh, it looks so cool. Wait, we gotta show them. Oh wait, did something fall? No. Oh, they're cool. It's a whole leaf. Look at it.
Well, me and her dad decided on this invitation and surprised Lluvia because we were picking another one. So yeah.
Don't.
Alexa.
They're showing our
Alexa,
friends.
thanks. I'm Alexa. Love it. Give me 5.
Hi, Alexa. What are you doing? Working. Hi, Addie. Hi, Addie.
We already finished the floor, the pavers. Now we're doing the walls. Y ahí va un pedacito of the yard, how it's going. Look at it, pretty tree. I think it's a peach tree. But yeah, we're doing that. And we still have one more thing to do to the yard. Vale, cariño, para que vean que sí ayudas. It doesn't tickle?
Don't worry, I got her just watering it. Let her just washing it.
She's too excited that she knows something. Addie, hey, is it my turn yet? I want to go. Get off, it's my turn. Move.
No,
Why not?
because it's my turn.
What do you need left?
No te grabé.
Wow. Record me.
Que ahí viene la Andrea trayendo comida. ¿Qué me trajiste? Nice. Nice. Ooh, it's so pretty. You're what? Oh yeah, you're missing the necklace. It's okay. We'll leave that for at the end. This is so pretty. A ver, Karime, help her to do the last part. This is what we loved about this dress we thought of. Hazte más para acá porque no vas a poder.
Go slow, dude.
Okay. The cool part about this dress.
Sorry.
We wanted this for her surprise dance. I'm about to show you guys. I'm about to show you how I made these flower crowns. The girls are wearing them right now. Let me show you. Girls van a estar de modelo. Aquí está. So beautiful crowns. Voy a terminar la de la lluvia y esa es la que les voy a ir enseñando. Está súper fácil hacerlo. Solamente ocupas un ramito. Esto los agarré del Michaels. Una glue gun, cinta, unas tijeras. Y básicamente esto. Lo primero que hago yo es que le voy quitando las flores. Después le corto los palitos, los mismos palitos que quedan. Se los corto. Le quito las hojas. Y con esos mismos palitos como tienen alambre adentro, los voy a ir formando para hacer la rueda, que viene siendo la rueda esta. Para eso ocupamos el tape, porque vamos a pegarla. Si aquí no alcanzas a ver. Después de hacer el círculo o la diadema, le vas a empezar a pegar las hojas. Yo lo que hice, pues estas las corté en 3. Las despegué, estas pues también las despegué y las empecé a pegar aquí alrededor para que tenga un poquito de fondo. Entonces ya de ahí empecé a pegar las flores y sí, se ve muy bonito. ¿Qué vas a enseñar? Ok. Y así ya terminé, ya quedó completamente cubierta. Y ahí está. Así se la hice para la quinceañera a lluvia.
Is the package? Wait, guess what it is.
So these are the cups we got. ¿Ya lo hiciste? The other one? The other side? Yeah.
But
really
it's
bright.
bright,
They're
though,
so cool. You just have to shake it good.
Yeah, there's a green pop for that one.
This one? Yeah, it did.
Turn off the light.
Oh no, it didn't. Okay. But aren't these so cool? I'll try to put the link in the description bar. And here's the cup, even if it's not in the dark. Oh, wait. Even if it's not in the dark, está bien fuerte. Press these two. So yeah.
Me pichaba, tú me pichabas, ahora yo picheo. Antes tú me pichabas.
Baby, busca tu paraguas, estamos bailando como peces en el agua. Como peces en el...
I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it.
Final result. Aquí quedó. Pusimos todos estos foquitos, todas estas líneas de foquitos. Pusimos estas like greenery. Pusimos eso. Acá quedó like a little un macetero alto. El zacate y todo listo para que enseñara. 2 more days. Y ya es la quinceañera. So, les voy a dejar un before and after. So, guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.